Assalamu alaikum, I am Zishan. Today we are going to discuss English nouns. Broadly speaking, we have two categories of nouns in English: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Or we can say that in English we have two major divisions of nouns: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are the nouns that we perceive with our senses. Abstract nouns are the nouns that we cannot perceive with our senses but can only think of. Firstly, we will discuss concrete nouns. Everything that we see using our eyes in the whole world is a noun. Just sit in a chair in your room and start looking around yourself. Whatever you see in the room using your eyes is a noun. Stand on a road in a busy bazaar. Whatever you see, everything moving, running, that is a noun. Or go to a shopping mall or a big shopping store. There may be hundreds and thousands of items in that store. Every single thing in that shopping mall or shopping store is a noun. Anything you see in the world is a noun, concrete noun. Everything in the world that has a name is a noun. Nouns are scattered everywhere around us. You must have noted one thing: most of the entries in an English dictionary happen to be the entries of nouns. We can hold nouns in our hands. When we hold bags in our hands, when we hold phones in our hands, we are actually holding nouns in our hands. We can see nouns doing things to other nouns. For example, if Ali beats Ahmad, one noun is beating another noun. Can we throw nouns to others? Yes, we can. When we throw balls and stones to others, we are actually throwing nouns to others. We can see nouns dancing and running around us. For example, if Akhtar and Akbar are dancing, nouns are dancing. If Ali is running, a noun is running. Nouns move, laugh and weep. If Zishan moves, it is a noun moving. Raza weeps, a noun weeps. Taki laughs, a noun laughs. In fact, nouns are of great importance for us in our day-to-day life. I hope you must have some idea of nouns now. Have you? The words that we use to describe or identify people, places and things are nouns or concrete nouns. Remember one thing: we use our senses to perceive people, persons, places or things, because all of these things are concrete nouns. Let's now discuss abstract nouns. We cannot perceive abstract nouns with our senses. We can only think of abstract ideas. These abstract ideas are the abstract nouns. These abstract ideas are, in fact, the names of qualities. Our senses do not help us in identifying ideas, because an idea is a thinking and our senses cannot perceive thinking. One important thing must be kept in mind: we describe people having certain qualities. For example, brave girls, kind fellows, honest teachers. Here, what are we doing? We are associating something to somebody. Honest teacher. Who is honest? It is our teacher. We are using the word honest because we have the word teacher here. We cannot use the word honest alone. There's another way of expressing the same idea. You can say, honesty, our teacher. When we are describing these qualities like kindness, bravery, intelligence, independent of some particular person or place or thing, then we are using the names of those qualities. Means we are using nouns. We are using abstract nouns. Instead of saying an honest teacher, when we are saying honesty of a teacher, we are in fact using the name of a quality, honesty, which stands independent of a person or a teacher. Whenever we describe qualities, We are in fact naming something. Qualities are the names. If those qualities stand independent of some particular person, place, or thing, those are nouns. The abstract nouns. I hope this discussion must have made it clear that concrete and abstract nouns are two separate entities. One of them is physical while the other happens to be abstract in nature. In today's video, we described two major divisions of nouns: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. In our next videos, we will discuss types of nouns. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.